After owning the pots and pans for over 2 years now, here's my honest review and some items worth knowing before purchasing this product. The set includes everything you need to prepare a delicious meal for you and your family. I personally bought the 8-piece set and has everything you need to cook a wide variety of meals. For reference, I bought this kitchen set originally for my 2 Airbnb rentals, but I actually ended up liking it so much that I bought it for my own personal house. The other pots and pans that I've used in the past only worked a couple of times for cooking for the non-stick surface, but even after a couple years of using it multiple times a week, the non-stick surface still works great. I originally bought this set as assorted for my first apartment and thought I would upgrade after a year or so, but after using them, I have no desire to upgrade and perfectly happy with them and the quality. It's also worth noting that the set is not designed to be put in the oven. Each piece of the Amazon Basic non-stick cookware is made with high quality aluminum, ensuring even heat distribution and long-lasting durability. The non-stick surface of the cookware makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The lids are designed to be swapped with the use of the different pots and pans. The glass lids also allow you to monitor your food while it cooks, while it also locks in moisture and flavor. Whether you're cooking for a large family or just for yourself, this basic non-stick cookware is a must-have for your kitchen. Its versatile design, durable construction, and non-stick surface makes it a